How to use candle wicks in the binomo trading. Hello YouTube, watch this video. Traders use several tools and indicators to improve their trading performance. There are many options to choose from. Sometimes this variety can absorb you so much. You forget about the simplest method. And today, we are going to get back to basics. In a way, we will cover a strategy that requires you to observe the candles on the chart. Chart taper. There are several types of charts that you can work with when trading on the binomo platform. One of the most commonly used is the Japanese candlestick. This chart taper is used in many of the strategies you will come across, and today we are going to base it on. So, when you set up a Japanese candlestick chart type, you will see a series of candles that take on different sizes and colors. Green candles are also known as bullish candles, and red candles are called bearish candles. Some of them have wicks and some didn't, and some don't. And this is an important part of today's strategy. When shadows appear on both sides of the candle, it means that the price course is quite difficult to get. When the shadow is long, the price level is rejected. Candlewick trading. Before you start trading based on candle axis, prepare your chart. I choose Japanese candlesticks and time frame. We will use 5-minute candles here, and traders will be open for 5 minutes too. In addition, decide the type of asset you will be trading and what amount you can invest. It shall not exceed 1 to 5% of your total capital. Candle with shadows over trading signals into situation. The first situation is when the price is in orange and is testing a support or resistance level. The second occurs when the price breaks through support or resistance, moves in a certain direction, and then tests a K level again. Trade with the wick of the candle when the price orange. When the price is moving sideways, you can easily mark the level of support or resistance from which the price returns. The trade breakout with the candle wick. The first thing is to wait for a break of the K level. When this happens, you can expect a new trend to form. Watch the candles closely and look for opportunities to enter the trade. Below you will find a chart with resistance levels drawn on it. After some time, the level is broken by a green candlestick with the shadow pointing upward. Watch the candlestick and wait for the candle to touch the previous resistance level. This is your signal to open trade for a price increase. Wait by buying the price to test previous resistance formed with the shadow of the candle. The next chart shows the situations when the support was broken by bearish candle. Enter a short position when next candle tests the level. Conclusion: there are many to trade. Do not forget about the simple ones that do not require you to add additional indicators to the chart. This article describes a trading strategy based on candlesticks with wicks. Set the Japanese candlesticks chart types and time frame for 5 minutes. Trade when the price moves sells or when it breaks stock support or resistance. Breakout of the zone, which means it's quite safe to trade. The win rate is quite high because the price often behaves in certain way after a breakout. Always carry your money management plan with you. This will help you to stay on track. Use the Binomo demo account, where you get the possibility to test any new strategy in a risk-free environment. You can come back here as often as you want. Once you feel confident enough, switch to a live Binomo account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.